Hey there, this is Drew Taylor with Team Taylor and Remax Southern Homes. Welcome to our newest listing at 2015 Eagle Creek Circle in the heart of Eagle Point in Oak Mountain. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, with a potential 5th bedroom upstairs, which is currently being used as the media room, which you'll see in the video. The back porch is fantastic, overlooks your beautifully wooded backyard, fully covered and screened in. The basement has a full in-law suite with bedroom and a kitchenette and a big, what stage is a workout area right now, but has a huge den area, massive 2-car garage, plenty of storage. This home has been very well cared for. Schedule a viewing with us at mynewbirminghamhome.com. Call your Team Taylor agent, or you can call me at 205-283-1602. And just a reminder, during the coronavirus pandemic that we're going through, we're still offering our homes for sale. We're taking the proper necessary precautions. At all of our listings, we'll be providing hand sanitizer and wipes, leaving doors and closets open for you so that you don't need to touch anything to make contact minimal. And all of our homes, after every visit, are going to be thoroughly sanitized. So schedule your showing today at 2015 Eagle Creek Circle. Would love to see you and make an offer on this beautiful home. Thank you.